Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, virus and threat protection is managed by your organization fix in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click Windows Defender, delete disable anti-spyware. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.